New BMW XM50e revealed. With 469 HP plug-in hybrid motor and 52 miles of all-electric range. Sadly, rumors suggest this model isn't destined for America. BMW made a splash yesterday in revealing the 738 HP XM labeled red, but it also very quietly updated its site with details on another, less powerful variant called the BMW XM50e with a 6-cylinder engine. The XM50e may share its controversial styling with the more prestigious models in the lineup but utilizes more sensible 3.0 litre turbocharged inline-6 plug-in hybrid power plant that produces 469 horsepower and 516 lb of torque. Like the upper trims, power is sent to all four wheels via the slick shifting 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic transmission. 0 to 62 miles per hour occurs in 5.1 seconds, which is underwhelming for any modern M car, especially one that is supposed to be a full M car instead of an M performance derivative. Preliminary WLTP estimates claim the XM50e can travel 47-51 miles on electric power alone, matching the standard XMS figure. As standard, the XM50e receives adaptive M suspension, electronically controlled shock absorbers, active stabilizers, and active steering work together to move the big bimmer through the bends with grace. At higher speeds, the XM50e's rear wheels turn in the same direction as the front wheels, which further aids stability. At lower speeds, the rear wheels pivot in the opposite direction, which provides greater agility in tight or confined spaces. As standard, the XM50e receives adaptive M suspension, electronically controlled shock absorbers, active stabilizers, and active steering work together to move the big bimmer through the bends with grace. At higher speeds, the XM50e's rear wheels turn in the same direction as the front wheels, which further aids stability. At lower speeds, the rear wheels pivot in the opposite direction, which provides greater agility in tight or confined spaces. As you'd expect, the base XM receives an M Sport differential that improves stability and traction by distributing power between the rear wheels. Customers can tailor the XM50e to their exact tastes, thanks to the M setup that allows one to customize the various drive settings. In terms of style, the entry-level XM50e receives black exterior accents, thankfully eschewing the vulgar trim of the label red, and pairs this with 23-inch M performance wheels and silver-etched M logos. Curiously, there is number 50e badging anywhere on the exterior, meaning this least powerful derivative still looks like its more potent siblings. The illuminated M kidney grills won't appeal to most, but it's the right look for the XMS customer base who value in-your-face design and ostentatious detailing. Inside, the sumptuous cabin retains all the high-class fittings and fixtures seen on other models, with BMW noting the 50e derivative will receive an illuminated, sculpted headliner like other XM variants. It's unlikely BMW will offer the XM50e locally, and it's expected that it will be available in China, where Aston Martin also sells a 6-cylinder DBX unique to that market. However, we have reached out to BMW for comment and will update this article accordingly. If you had your heart set on an XM, you'll have to spring for the label red or the $159,000 XM, which receives a twin turbocharged V8 engine with 644 horsepower. The range topper is even more powerful and boasts an incredible 738 ponies and 738 pounds-feet of torque. Both V8 models will be built at the Spartanburg facility in North Carolina. We expect more XM50e details to arrive in the coming days. If you had your heart set on the 6-cylinder XM, perhaps you should consider XSAT. Available with 7 seats, it's a more practical prospect. What's more, the xDrive 40i derivative is cheaper at $81,900. It's a no-brainer to us, at least.